then get up off your ass and do the right thing and help me take the gospel to the world. Because I've talked to hundreds of pastors and churches, and man, they are not interested. They take one look at this and they realize, hey, this ain't going to bring anybody into our whorehouse church. This ain't going to give us access to anybody's paycheck. We're not going to have a bunch of slave workers out there working on our church building and all that. No. This is a total loss. No, we're broadcasting the gospel of some guy in South America. He ain't never going to bring his paycheck into this church. He ain't never going to come to this church. So they're not interested. They're not interested in evangelizing. Oh, we got some missionaries in the field. Boy, I could tell you stories about missionaries. Oh, man. They live better than you do. They even got maids and gardeners and cooks and servants. And they're missionaries. Full of craptons. That's what they are. What they did is they found themselves a load of suckers to So instead of supporting crap like that, and I used or are you 1% remnant that really has a love for the Lord and want to take the gospel to the world? You give us a call at area code 931-728-6087. Area code 931-728-6087. Area code 931-728-6087. And we're going to find out now. And you're going to have to answer it in your heart. Are you a 99% full of crapton? Full of crapton, like 99% of the people out there that claim to be Christians? I call them full of craptons. Or are you part of the 1% remnant? So give us a call. We get you up on shortwave radio. Stop giving your money to some dead church that are playing you for a sucker. Actually do something worthwhile with your time.